Hi guys, up until now, you've already heard me saying the word token many times. Tokens are of special interest to us because we pay per token and the entire interaction with a specific model is limited to a maximum number of tokens. The maximum token limit for GPT 3.5 Turbo is 4096. So what are tokens? Tokens can be thought of as pieces of words. Before the API processes the prompt, the input is broken down into tokens. Tokens can be words or just chunks of characters. As a rough rule of thumb, one token is approximately 4 characters or 0.75 words for English text. To see how many tokens are in a text string, you can use the OpenAI Python library called TickToken, or use the interactive tokenizer tool. It allows you to calculate the number of tokens and see how the text is broken into tokens. For example, hello, OpenAI. This text consists of 4 tokens. Here, you can also see how the text was broken down into tokens. But ChatGPT is powered by GPT 3.5 Turbo. This string consists of 16 tokens. Note that when you make an API call, both input and output tokens count toward these quantities. For example, if your API call used 20 tokens in the message input and you received 30 tokens in the message output, you have actually used 50 tokens and will be billed for this amount. This is somewhat general because you can't simply add the number of tokens in the input to the number of tokens in the output and get the total number of tokens in an API call. There's also some overhead. In addition to the content, so the prompt passed to the API, there are other fields that consume tokens, such as role, other fields, and a few extra for behind-the-scenes formatting. If you want to see the exact number of tokens consumed by an API call, check the usage field in the API response. Let me show you how to do that. I'm asking ChatGPT what is the name of the longest river in the world. I'm running the notebook. Okay, this is a good answer. Now, take a look at the usage field. Here, you'll see the completion, the prompt, and the total tokens. For example, this API call consumed 24 tokens. Okay, in this video, we've learned about tokens. We are taking a short break, and in the next lecture, we'll go over OpenAI models completion parameters. I'll see you soon.